Here's our first example. It says if ABCD is a square and AD equals 11, we're going to find each missing value. So here are all the steps that I'm going to do to figure out the measure of all of these sides and angles. The first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to label all of my equal sides. In a square, all four sides are equal. Since a square is also a rhombus, and a rhombus is all four sides equal, a square is the same thing. So it tells me that AD is 11. So if AD is 11, then all of these over here are 11. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to label all of my right angles. A square has diagonals that are perpendicular, since in a rhombus it's the same. So all of these are right angles. And since a square is also a rectangle, all of these are right angles. So that'll help us figure out the angles. Now we can start to fill everything in to see what we have. It's asking for BC. I already have BC filled in. That's 11. It's asking for AD. I don't have that. It's asking for BD. I don't have that yet, but I do know that AC and BD are equal. And then since diagonals are equal in a square, and then EC is going to be half of whatever that is. So here's how I'm going to figure it out. If I'm looking at here at this square, I see this right triangle right here. So I'm going to go draw it. Like this, and I have 11 right here, 11 right here, and I don't know what that is. So I'm going to use Pythagorean theorem to figure out what that missing side is. So A is 11, B is also 11. Eleven squared is 11 times 11, which is 121. We're going to add them together. 121 plus 121 is 242. And then to get C by itself, we're going to get the square root. The square root of 242 is about 15.5. So I know that AC is 15.5 and BD is 15.5. And like I said earlier, EC is half of that. So half of 15.5 is 7.75. Perfect. So now we have all that filled in. The angles are a lot easier. Okay, DAB. Oh, we already put a right angle right there, so I know that's 90. Let's check the next one. AEB. Oh, we already have our right angle box, so I know that's 90. Okay, let's check the next one. CBD. So that's half of it. The diagonals bisect. So half of 90 is 45. And then BAC is the same thing, 45.